Did you upload it? The one that you recorded yesterday?
Hello viewers, I'm on the Blizzard SMP with my friend, Doom.
I'm about to get the Elytra.
We're just doing our own stuff. We're the only two people on the server right now. He's the owner. Kolik, that's Doom. Doom is his Bedrock, Minecraft Bedrock name. He changed his name many times. But I still call him Doom.
Yo, Elytra!
He's currently in the end, and I'm currently in my own little cave thing with my 16 different dogs.
Hey, make sure they don't show coordinates in the video. Because what if you die? Like, someone could follow you there.
Too late.
Uh,
But I'm currently a mercenary. I don't know if I said this before, but there's two factions on the server: the Sally and the Separatists. Well, there were, because the war is over. The war's over.
Yeah, we reached an agreement.
Both teams decide to go kill a mercenary.
Not random. There was a reason. Why.
He's one of the top fighters.
No, that's not why we're after him.
Yeah, he scammed you guys, didn't he?
No, that's not why we're after him either.
Oh. He's a mon. Let me guess. He's betraying his own people. And you're calling him a monster. Yeah.
He's a monster, and we've already taken one of his lives away.
Yeah, they had a big battle at spawn. They all of them died like 50 different times.
Yeah, including David though. It was like
there's a gold armored zombie. Oh my god! I just parried an arrow. I just deflected an arrow onto a zombie. And now the zombies and skeletons are killing each other to death.
Killing each other to death.
Oh, that was awesome, actually. Doom, I just raised my shield, deflected an arrow onto a creeper and a zombie.
Cool.
Creeper, why did you have to do that? And now I'm stuck down.
Slash documents. I'm trying to think of way out.
I don't understand how, but apparently Endermen have the ability to deflect arrows if they have nowhere to teleport.
Well, yeah, of course they do. Well, usually what happens is that they, like, teleport.
Yeah, no, but I saw someone do an experiment on a YouTube video. They put an Enderman in a place where there's only one block they could teleport onto. And they and since there's nowhere to teleport, the Enderman just deflected the arrows.
Sure.
I also watched a Minecraft animation about it.
Okay.
The Enderman was dodging every single raindrop just to kill a single guy. It was pretty funny. But so the war's ended. Everyone's going after a guy called David.
David. I almost died. Enderman, you are a
I happened to join around like one day before the end of the war.
How do you know it wasn't planned? I'm kidding, it wasn't planned. If it was planned, then I would have just started killing David. See, the only reason why I had David go to spawn was because I didn't know where he was, and we can't really hunt a guy where we don't know his location.
I mean, you could try a map. I'm pretty sure there's a locator map in Minecraft.
That is true, but I don't know if...
Actually, I have one with me right now.
I'm not sure if that would show his location. Because I think you have to be in the map's borders for it to show it, right? And if I'm not in the border...
I think you're right.
I mean, I wouldn't show his location.
I mean, I have literally almost a stack of sugarcane.
Yeah.
I think I could upgrade the map one or two times.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, we actually know his location right now, sorta. Kind of. Almost. We kind of know his location. Because we know after the battle, he immediately
creepers chasing me and I'm out of sprint. I can only bow them because if I get close, they kill me with their explosion.
After the battle, we know that he went to the tundra.
The tundras?
So, to the tundra in spawn, yeah.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that's where I went. That's where I found 3 villages next to each other there.
Yeah, exactly. That's where that comes.
Let's go have 7 bones. I'm gonna go get a few dogs.
Oh. Stinky. Stinky.
I decided to make a few changes to my wolf formation. Instead of taking them all at once, I'm only taking 2 at a time. That way they don't all die at once, you know? If something happens.
Yeah, and something usually does happen to you.
Yeah.
Usually you get out of that hole.
Sly Guy's here! Sly Guy's here!
Yo, I'm gonna tell him what I got.
Sly Guy is one of the main members of the Salient faction.
He is the co-owner. I don't really need a spy inside the separatist base, though. Right now we need someone that can pair with David. I don't know if David knows that you're against him or not.
He doesn't know that I'm even in the server, man.
No, he does, though, for sure.
Oh, who told him?
David. Well, yeah, he can kind of tell me.
I never saw him on. What? So, well, if he does know that I'm on, then someone probably told him, you know?
Yeah, we're totally winning right now. Oh, you want to go to our like the triple voice call?
Later. Sure. Actually, now. Let's do it now.
Yeah, let's do it now. Hi.
Hi. Sly Guy, are you there?
Hey guys.
Hi Sly. I'm making a YouTube video. I'm currently making an army of dogs. I'm a mercenary. Sly?
Yeah.
I'm just a mercenary. I'm living in my own cave with my dogs.
Cool.
I have like almost 20 of them. Pretty sure I'm only missing 1 or 2 of them.
God, wait.
Andre, can I get some shulker shells that you?
Yeah, I got 12.
Oh, can I have like 4?
Ah! I fell into my own cave and died.
Okay, David, I hate him now. Like, I actually want him to die, just for his personality.
He said, he started saying, like, I have new people, and, like, he was saying that they're gonna start giving me their lives.
Oh, he said that we messed up the plan. I'll admit,
No, you have to
say in
the chat that you're not allowed, you can't get lives from other people. You can only lose lives.
Yeah, there's no way to gain them.
There's no gaining. And
I did get the Elytra.
If,
and now I'm
if
making
you
my way
have
back.
over 5 hearts, then it's an immediate ban because you can't.
Oh yeah, even more importantly, guess what?
Yeah.
I got what's the name? I got a.
Hey, what?
Why? Oh, I must have spawned an Endermite, so all the Endermen are aggravated. I was like, why is there about a bajillion Endermen going to that random spot?
Oh yeah, I made a mashed potato farm.
Okay, cool. If I die here, I'm giving my stuff, all this stuff back, because, like... Because I'm not sure how it works.
Just go to the...
Oh, it's okay, I'm safe. Epic.
Just go to our old base And then
I'm good. I'm gonna make it back there now.
Yeah,
so there was an end gateway, but I didn't use it, so I thought maybe it's fun.
Go rob Andre.
I'm not robbing him. I just want some.
He put a very good item in one of your chests.
Yeah, the silk touch pick. I did because I didn't want to bring it.
Yeah, silk touch.
No, I made it home.
Really, our best enchantment we can get right now.
I'm at base. Oh yeah, and I also made the villager. You know, the librarian, the wolf prop 4. I zombified him again, and now he's selling prop 4 for 13 emeralds.
13?
Yeah.
I might buy from him, honestly.
I got 4 prop 4 bucks from him because I was
good.
doing stuff with Alisher's villagers. So I'll give you 2 because I already got.
I now have 20 or more villagers. I mean, not villagers. I mean wolves.
I'm gonna try and make a max out chest plate.
Yeah, my chest plate is nearly maxed out. I just need thorns 2 or thorns 3 on it.
Dude, I found this golden, this skeleton wolf, a golden chest plate. It was unbreaking 3, prop 4, and thorns 3.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna make like a bunch of chests because I need them right now.
Every 5 seconds I get frightened to death because of some totally random thing.
Oh yeah, I have a level 30 enchantment table, so...
I have 20 something dogs now.
I know. I just got Alisher's base to enchant now. Oh yeah, and I also found your base when I was heading to the stronghold.
Oh!
Yeah, he put a pick in it, I think.
No, not at his base. I put it at our old base. Oh yeah, and more importantly, I got the dragon head.
Oh, good.
So I basically got
everything. Because I don't have any.
Okay, so I got a sharp 4 and breaking 3 diamond sword 2 while I was there.
Oh, good. Dude, you gotta, like, end cities have, like, the best loot.
Yeah, I know, I got it from one end city, and then I also got the elytra.
Gotta take a screenshot of that. That way I can get back to base.
Oh yeah, and I also, I would have died if I didn't have these iron boots with feather falling fur. I would literally have died while I was there, so it was very intense.
Or you head to mine?
Although the helmet does have Curse of Binding on it. But I can just die to take that off, so I don't really care.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the base right now.
I also need a lot of food.
Alright. Record that down.
Oh. This. Okay, and I got my silk touch pickaxe back now.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go. I decided to stop getting a bunch of wolves. I have more than 20 of them by now.
Hey, you got a problem,
I just really want shulker boxes because then it's easier because I don't.
Oh yeah, I did get a shulker box actually. Thinking about it, I did. I got 6, but I think I want to keep most of them. But I'll give you one.
There's so many dogs in this forest.
I'll give you one
shulker box.
Yeah, I'll give you one shulker box.
Someone else came here before me, but they didn't even tame a single dog.
Okay, 2. Bro, David, I hate David.
Actually, I think Alisher tamed a few dogs.
Yeah, he has one.
No, he actually has 2. He actually has 2.
Over here, and I'm gonna start selling my crops in for emeralds.
Yeah, maybe Alisher's been here before.
Oh, epic! I got all the chests that I needed for the shulker boxes, so I have 6.
Yeah.
On me.
Wait, I mean, you know that the war's over, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he knows.
The Separatists and Stallion, you weren't there when
he knows, and he knows that we're all targeting David. Because he was there yesterday. You've seen the destruction firsthand.
3696. Okay.
Ooh, wow. These iron boots are super damn good. I think they're better than diamond, but barely. They're prop 4, Depth Strider 3, prop 4. I mean, mending.
I just really want a shulker box because then I don't need silk touch.
Oh yeah, another reason is that I wanted ender pearl.
Wait, do you know where other end cities are?
No, I only located that one.
Okay. Was it close to the end gateway?
Ish, kind of.
How much blocks was it? Like
sorta. I'm probably gonna get a sharp 5 sword today, if I had to guess.
Yeah, I'm gonna put smite 4 on my sword when I get there.
No, we have to get the sharp though, because we're
wait, I'm just wondering, how did David survive the attacks from all of you guys?
Dumbass, because it was at spawn. We can't kill him.
Very OP chest.
No, I'll explain. basically it was at spawn, so it's kind of impossible to win the battle.
True.
It was really pointless.
Andre says that it was your incompetence that let David escape.
No, it was more than competence of spawn in general.
Yeah.
Andre said that you jumped in a hole with David.
Yeah,
Yeah, I jumped in a hole of
that was
water.
New's fault. We probably would have won, but whatever, it's fine. We still won, in my opinion. Because you can't get a life back once you lose it.
Yeah, David still we took away
Besides,
like,
I've already replaced that, and I got a sharp 4 sword. So, like,
no, I think it's good because then we like I think it's better because we did lose a lot of stuff, like a lot of good stuff, but we're starting to enchant. Andre found an elytra so he can literally be like,
now I really want to get a creeper farm.
whenever if we're gonna go to a fight with David and like someone screams airstrike, like you just come down with an elytra and
We also know David's approximate location of where he logged out.
Yeah. He logged out near spawn.
Does anyone want to hire me to go kill David?
No, because
Well, I doubt you'd be able to beat him.
David.
Yeah, but actually, I'm even in terms of PvP.
Do you have netherite prop
Even
4
I'm
chest
even
plate?
a little. Oh no.
Do you have a netherite prop 4 chest plate and a giga drill? No, right? So
Where
I don't
are
think you're
you?
gonna win that fight.
It's gonna be hard for me to win, but I
If
do
it
have.
was equal
but I
here,
do-
then I wouldn't trust you with it. But it's
Andre,
not.
Well, but I
equal.
do have advantage in numbers.
That is true. You do have a lot of wolves, but I still
Literally
think,
more than 20 of them.
you'd lose.
Andre,
If you got diamond armor though with your wolves, I feel like you could.
It's almost 100% guaranteed victory.
I mean, I actually need.
I mean, my PvP skills are a bit better than David's.
Yeah.
wait, Andre, where are you? I don't know where you
I'm at your base actually.
And also, I do have invisibility potions. Remember,
Not when I came to your base though. I think I
Andre,
was looking
remember,
for something.
remember, I do have
alright.
invisibility potions, so I could assassinate.
Yeah,
him.
exactly. Badass.
I can assassinate him and literally.
Oh, let's go, Enderman!
Oh, yeah.
Die! Give me an Ender Pearl. Oh, let's go! I dropped an Ender Pearl! Woo!
Hold on.
Now I can make
I gotta
the.
go back all the way
Ah!
to my base.
I just fell down my own hole.
Now I can get the Ender chest, and then I can put the shulkers in there.
That's happened like 5 times today.
Andre, just put a shulker box in my chest. Put it there.
Nah, well, where are you right now?
I was at our old base.
Oh, okay, well, I'm there now.
Bruh.
I can just teleport you to me if that's okay. Die, stupid freaking Blaze. Bro, why is the server lagging so hard, bro?
Andre, can you sleep? Someone sleep, please? Does someone sleep?
Bro, this Blaze is actually
You want someone
undying.
to sleep? Sure.
Okay,
Hold on a second.
dead.
I'm just dropping some stuff.
Bro, if I end up dead, I'm giving myself all the items back.
Oh, by the
because-
way, Sly Guy.
Yeah.
What was I gonna say? I killed some pillagers today, and now I got Bad Omen.
Do you know where a pillager outpost is?
No, I just found a group of 3 pillagers.
Frick.
I have
Do you
Ender.
still have bad omen? Do you still have bad omen?
Probably not. It's been a long time.
Just check.
I think it's
I'm
gone now. Actually,
looking for
for once I changed my skin. I changed my skin finally.
Oh yeah, I noticed that. Oh my god.
What do you mean? Yeah.
There you
It's me,
go.
David. Thank you. Shulker
Wait,
box.
I'm looking for 8
Thank you, baby girl. I love you.
Don't say that. Okay, Ender chest. Let's go. Ender chest.
Oh yeah, can I take a prop 4 book for my chest plate?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Because, well, you can take multiple if you
Oh,
want.
by the way, guys, I found a smithing table.
I just took one.
Okay.
We have a bunch of those.
You know what the
My
smithing
Ender
tables
chest
are,
is
right?
going to be the most stacked thing on this entire server.
You guys know what you guys know what smithing tables are, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're the things that you use to get to
Yeah,
make those
yeah, we
netherite
know.
chest plates and
How
stuff.
do you think we made netherite chest plates?
I found one of them.
Good. We have like 3 of them in the base.
Yeah, we have 2, I think, last time I
Yeah,
checked.
we have one in the like big chest room, and then we have another one in my room.
I need wood. I need wood so I can make a chest so I can clean up my inventory from all the old stuff.
There's creepers coming from the bottom of my cave.
This is the bee's knees, bro.
I was just randomly cooking some food and that creeper just comes out of nowhere.
Oh, bro, stop dying.
No, I didn't die though. I didn't die. Not yet.
Okay. Not yet. No.
I need an obsidian. That's it.
Blue dye, ender chest.
I didn't die. The zombies died.
Shulker box. I want to.
343 is the.
I'm going up the blue shulker box, and this is going to be my valuables, I think. I'm gonna rename the shulker box the ultimate flex.
Wait, Ethan.
What?
If we say anything important about like our faction, can you like bleep it out or like just not like include it in the video because David could be watching?
He doesn't even know my channel exists.
Really? I feel like he does.
I never told him.
Oh wow.
He could like watch. Oh.
Well, my channel's literally so small. I don't know why he would watch it over other YouTubers like Techno or Dream.
No, he could be like, because he knows that like you talk with us a lot, so he's like, oh, I'll just get information from Ethan's videos, than just like trying to get out.
How do you write that? I want to make sure that I'm writing it correctly.
Well, then we'll just give him false information.
I know we can do that definitely, but just don't like
give out anything that's important.
Yeah. If we tell you something, that stays with you. It doesn't go anywhere else. 6462.
Actually, no. If you have something, send it through Discord.
Yeah. But don't open it while you're recording, because that just ruins the whole point.
Okay, made my valuable shulker box.
David? Are you, like, with David, like, faction? Because he said he has 4 people with him. Like,
no.
I think he thinks that Ethan's on his faction.
I know. He thinks that just because Ethan automatically joined, that means
he's way too trusting.
Everyone trusts me, man. Everyone literally trusts me.
Which is very weird.
No, why would they trust you?
Alisher thinks that I'm loyal to him.
What?
Oh. No, don't try and make Alisher think that we did it on purpose. No, stay loyal to him, but like, stay loyal to us still.
I think no. So like Alisher thinks I'm on his team. According on Andre's orders, I'm literally Andre wants me to work for him to spy on Alisher.
Not anymore, though.
We don't need him. We don't need a spy on Alisher anymore.
Oh my god! A creeper just attacked my dogs, and all of them survived.
Dogs are really.
My dogs are literally OP, man.
You just gotta give them some meat.
Every time one of my dogs gets attacked by a creeper, they always survive.
Okay, what's in this?
My dogs survive every time. They're unkillable,
there's
man.
My village. There's the village I love. I'm gonna make this farmer one of the richest men in the world.
I have 2 shulker boxes left, and I want to make them look good. Oh, I can get a white shulker box with bone meal. I guess I can get a black shulker box too. Bro, my ender chest kind of looks like a clown.
It's time to make a few changes to my base. I got blocked at the bottom, otherwise creepers would come up every 5 minutes.
Yeah, just
there's a zombie waiting for me. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Right up your base.
Sack epic. We got this black dye. We got the black shulker box, and bam, bro. This.
I know. Can't you dye shulker boxes?
Yeah, you can.
I died.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is what my ender chest looks like right now. It's kind of popping. Look at this. Bro, this ender chest is like the ultimate flex, bro.
Luckily, I left most
Listen this to David.
Where did those mobs go?
Look. Well, maybe we shouldn't. We should have the element of surprise. Look at this.
I gotta go 100 blocks in the other direction.
Look at this. Oh my god. Are you looking at my ender chest, bro?
Yeah, it's very nice. Very beautiful.
Yeah, I know. Oh, dragon head.
Oh yeah. You should put it on Prop 4 Villager. He'll love it. As a gift.
Trying to find any other items that are like.
I think I have like 30. Wait, let me count my dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13.
You know, for intimidation factor, I might.
Well, I gotta go 100 blocks.
I have 24 dogs.
Bro, I'm just trying to flex on David right now.
I have 24 dogs.
If a skeleton shoots me right now, I'm dead.
If a skeleton, shoots me
Is
right
it
now,
okay
he's dead.
if I send this to David?
I have 24 dogs, so if the skeleton shoots me, they're dead.
Yo, I mean, should I send this to David? What my ender chest looks like?
Don't let him see what we have. Because then it will just motivate him to kill us.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I mean, he already
Don't
wants to
show
kill you,
him
so it
anything.
doesn't really matter that much.
He didn't take our cannon life though, because he killed us at spawn.
No, he can definitely still take it. But so,
No, Ethan,
really
stop pretending like our spawn thing was a failure, because it wasn't. We just won.
I don't want David to know what valuable.
We practically won because we did a trade, okay? Keep saying this, but we did a trade. And I think we had the better trade. So we won.
1, 2.
I'm actually gonna try to make our skeleton farm better. You know.
25 dogs?
I mean,
I have 25
Yeah.
dogs now.
should I try making our skeleton farm better?
Yeah, but just don't screw it up, I guess.
I don't think it'll screw it up.
What
Might.
are you gonna do to it?
So basically, I am going to make a wall.
I have 25 dogs now. There are less dogs in the nearby area, though. Never mind, take that back. They're just scattered around everywhere. Actually, there maybe is less dogs in now. I get most of my dogs from breeding instead of taming them.
I think that's the easiest way to get dogs.
I know, because I literally have no bones. Well, I do have bones. I mean, I'm made of bones, you know?
Bruh.
I'm talking about in real life. I'm literally made of all bones.
Yeah, there's no fat on you.
Yeah, literally
It's
no
just
fat.
pure bones.
Just my bones.
Oh
all
yeah,
all my weight comes from my bones.
I got mending on my pickaxe. There's my house. Hello?
Hi.
Andre, you're muted.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, I got mending on my pickaxe.
I'm trying to think about how I'm going to set this up, because it's actually kind of difficult.
There's a skeleton here. Kill him.
What is it actually?
Okay, finally, I get back home and I put my valuables.
My dogs. I came home and I found a stupid skeleton in my home.
Wait, I'm actually incorrect. I mean, this is actually super easy to do, I think.
Oh,
If
okay.
I am correct.
Block this off.
Correct.
Okay, so
number 15
this should
is
work.
correct.
Nope, that did not work. Damn it. This is harder than I thought.
Would I be able to put my potions in here? All of them?
No, doggy, come back. I'm blocking you in.
When you're
No,
done
whatever.
with
I
your
don't think I'm going to be able to do that, and I think I'm going to freak it up if I try. So I don't think I'm going to do that modification.
gotta
When your
dive
dog
with
refuses to
Pokeball.
listen to orders.
So I
I'm
want a blue
falling.
Pokebox. Wait, can you
No.
make green dye with blue dye and yellow?
I'm not sure.
Can you? Please? It should, because blue and yellow make green dye. You can't. No. Where should I dye my shulker box? Blue or yellow?
Blue gang, bro.
Who cares
gang
about
says
dying
yellow.
shulker boxes?
Although yellow actually looks good too. They actually, I actually really like the yellow shulker box texture. Usually I don't like yellow.
Apparently the shovel does more damage than a pickaxe.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah. You don't see zombies with pickaxes. You see them with shovels mostly.
They smack people.
Oh, Andre, did you see
Well,
my
I saw a
base?
zombie with an iron sword that killed me.
Yeah, I saw your base. A little
Do
bit.
you like my base, Andre?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. Do you think? Did you see?
Yeah, you know what I was thinking? I was like, who made that big tower? It's kind of weird.
Oh no, that's my old base. I made a whole new one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I don't know how I did it, but I hit that chicken with a bow.
No, I kind of want to become like super mega rich, but in order to do that, I want to get like 8 stacks of diamond blocks to flex.
Ah, creeper, retreat. Fall back.
Frick.
Bow him to death.
No. He didn't break my pawn.
No! Doggies, don't get in my way!
Dude, I have a fat ravine going through my house. Like a fat ravine. Not through my house, but in my base. Like it's just a huge ravine. Drink it down and profit, girl. Make me regret saying
I got another dog now.
Drink it down and rock it,
Let's go, I got 2 more. That's 27, I think.
Hi, doggies. The frick. Dude, my doggies are so cute.
David, you smell like a bitch.
Don't curse, man, this is my video.
Oh, that's true. Bro, he like, what's your English grade?
I know, you said, what's your English grade?
Okay, well, Dad, that sentence doesn't make sense, but also, you don't ask that question when someone writes a sentence that doesn't make sense. And it's weird, because then he says, lol, only 100%. Literally everyone I know has over...
How do you get over 100%?
Well, actually, in some
Get your
English
credit and
classes,
stuff,
you can.
My
Empathy,
teacher
no.
doesn't offer extra credit.
Yeah, exactly. So, like, that's...
Mine doesn't get extra credit.
Mine offers extra credit, but you need to get pride
My
cards.
English is my worst grade, but I'm still in the A's.
Yeah.
I still have an A.
I didn't use my pride cards. I'm trying to, like, have a bunch.
Viewers, don't pay attention to what we're saying. It's just a bunch of school stuff. You don't need to worry about it.
Well, they wouldn't worry anything about what you do, even. I hated the skeleton. Now, I actually
we
like...
only live somewhere in the West Coast or something.
You guys, we live in California.
You're California people.
Yeah, we do act like it. I know, that's how the skeleton farm is lagging, huh? That's what happens with me.
Yeah.
And the bottom chest. No, the second.
I know,
but
but
you guys have a skeleton
farm.
Dang, that would have been good for me.
We have
I'm almost done anyways.
Yeah, good.
Well, that would actually go there.
There's literally like only 2 other mercenaries
Action
besides me.
Reply.
I think it's gonna be a while before you're finally able to kill
You
David
see, our
again.
teacher does not give you extra credit.
It's gonna be a long time before you guys can fight David again.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna try to understand your poetry.
Like, my whole PC just crashed. It was kind of...
Okay, I'm not your pet lead
It doesn't work.
at who you work. Okay, that doesn't make sense. I'm not your pet to pet would make sense.
Nope, I'm not your
That doesn't really
pet.
make much sense, but the please part almost makes
I don't know. I wasn't thinking straight. I just had straight anger.
Do you see something in the chat?
Wait, Andre, did it say I left?
Yeah, David is very condescending.
I know.
That's why I don't like him. It's condescending.
David's literally the fox in those fairy tales.
Well, power to him breaking one bow. Dang.
Okay.
And we are just the clowns that try to
Yeah, you
catch
should
him.
only have to wait one more round for skeletons to spawn, and it'll be good.
I think we all underestimated David.
No one underestimates
You know what I mean?
David. He's just manipulating everyone. Yeah.
I was not even on the server.
No.
Oh,
My
oops.
game crashed. No, not my game. Just my PC crashed a hole. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm getting in right now. I'm launching it.
Every time I fight against David, he always does better than I expect.
David is condescending.
What does that
That's why I
mean?
don't like him.
I
What
know.
does that mean?
It means like, what would be a good example?
Ending.
Well, like, here's an example of condescending. You know, like someone says, "Wow, you did really good," and then you say like, for a blank or something.
For a noob.
If you wanted to be racist, you could say for an Asian person or something. Like that.
Hey, dude, that is racist.
I know that's literally what I just said.
That you're literally.
I literally just said, if you want to be racist, you would say it like this, and then I said the racist of it.
How dare you make fun of my kind?
I didn't. I
He
literally
wasn't
prefaced it.
actually being racist. He was just
Bro, if I was
stating
racist, I definitely wouldn't be friends with you.
Yeah.
Or you, I mean. So, like,
True.
obviously I'm not.
What do you? Oh,
But I only am friends with, like, two white people.
Mhm.
Literally two.
Who are they?
Henry and Michael.
Oh yeah, I forgot about them.
Those are, like, the only two people, and they're not even, like, Henry's close friend. Michael, not so
Poor
much.
Henry in the wheelchair.
That's another example of condescending.
true. Saying it's not bad for a person in a wheelchair. That's how it would be condescending.
I'm not really sure, but it's just that, makes me sick.
I forgot who's taller, Michael or David.
I think David.
Yeah, I
Slightly.
think David too.
We should.
Tall
Andre,
boy.
we should finish up the base if some people are gonna.
David
live
is
there.
a local tall boy.
Take it down and pop it, girl.
What are you trying to say?
United.
Yeah,
No.
Andre wouldn't watch anime if he was racist towards.
What are you talking about?
Going back
Andre-
to the subject, if Andre was racist towards Asians, he wouldn't be watching anime, which is from. his
Well, I
perspective.
watched a little bit. I did a little bit of trolling. I watched only 3 anime, guys. Yeah, 3. Just wanted to make sure.
Guys, I found the Among Us imposter in Minecraft with Squid Game.
With Squid Game. Bruh. Okay.
I'm
Oh,
just trying to
what is that?
find some animals to
Oh,
kill. I
yeah,
can't even find one.
Adults to kill? What the
I need
hell?
food, man. I need food.
Why
Okay.
did it just I left?
That's so out of context. He was like, I'm trying to find adults that I can kill.
No, I saying animals.
Oh, okay.
Are
That's
you an
still-
animal abuser?
Me and the
What?
boys being animal abusers at 3 a.m. Oops. Okay,
Me
maybe
and the
that was.
boys being abusive towards animals.
Wait, where do I put the ender chest at? Where the ender
You put
chest?
it in my room.
No,
Wait, what?
not there. Well, yeah, because I mined it back, but I'm kind of confused where I put it after the.
Imagine.
Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is. It's at the skeleton farm,
Oh, okay.
I think. Dun, dun,
We should
dun.
make an armor collection with all the skeleton armor we get.
I know. I want to get a chainmail armor.
Wait, we already have chainmail armor.
Nearly. We almost have the full set.
Why
Yeah.
would you even want
You can
chainmail
use
armor? It's literally
Tesla and
useless.
Yeah, it's useless, but it's like
one of the
kind of.
rarest
Rare?
because
It's probably
Yeah,
the
you can't
rarest,
make
in my
it.
opinion.
You can't make it because the crafting recipe is with fire.
You know what? I
fire
might
is
get like a really
unflammable
good
everywhere.
fishing rod and just do IFK fishing.
True. How do you even AFK fish?
I'm not 100% sure. I'll figure it out. I want to look at it though.
You figure it out after 5 years. Don't worry
No, I
about
won't.
that. I almost fell in my own hole again.
Yeah, the ender chest is down here. Good. Glad I
At least
recognize.
you know where it is.
I need
Yeah, I
to
almost
stop falling
lost
to
it.
pits.
That's what she said. Okay, that one is actually good. Did you get it?
No.
I'm talking to,
Yeah, I
because you
got
want
it.
A wandering trader just appeared out of nowhere.
Kill it. Leads.
You might not believe this, but it's actually what she said.
You have nothing good! I thought I'll just kill you then. Actually, I'll kill his llamas first.
I need to piss, but I can't
Wait, I
piss.
swear I had name tags. I had like 8.
I know, I noticed that. They're in your chest outside the base.
Fight them! Kill them, my doggies! Kill them!
Ethan sounds like a 3-year-old child.
Well, I do have the mentality of a 3-year-old.
Ooh. You do that to your own self? Are you crazy, Ethan?
The wandering trader's just walking away pretending that nothing happened.
He's...
How dare you pretend that nothing happened?
Okay, wait.
I just murdered him. And now I feel
Okay,
horrible.
I kind of want to go to the end and get shulker boxes.
I killed the wandering trader and now I feel horrible.
I would not recommend you do that. I almost died.
No. I'm not gonna take my valuable stuff. I'm gonna make like iron armor.
Yeah, you're definitely dead though, because it's really hard to survive. Wait, be right back.
Someone sleeping?
Okay. Yeah, I'm sleeping.
Yeah, I always receive that notification, something at the bottom of my screen when someone sleeps.
I know everyone gets that.
Sleeping through the night.
Oh, dude, my shulker box is stacked.
Some of my dogs grew up.
Hold on, I'm gonna have a shulker box filled with shulker boxes.
Assuming you have enough shulker boxes.
Yeah, I might
Get back. What's going on?
Wait. Oh, nothing. We were just talking about how I'm gonna fill shulker boxes with shulker boxes.
Oh, okay.
You need
Ethan,
enough.
wanna
You
go
need
to the end with me?
what?
Wanna go to the end with me?
Sure, but after I get enough
Yeah,
dogs.
when you finish. But like, I just need someone to come with me, just in case.
Oh, it's gonna be a complete massacre.
Oh yeah, and Ethan, just make something like armor that's not valuable, and then like.
Yeah.
By the way, should I bring my doggies? I don't think it's gonna be safe. I don't think it's gonna be safe for my dogs.
There. I'm gonna keep my shulker box here.
And plus, I want I want to use this dog to kill someone.
The actual.
Shake it down and drop
Yo,
it.
efficiency 5, silk touch on breaking 3, maxed out pickaxe.
No.
David, you can't win today.
Yeah, no way he's winning.
Not with all of us against him.
I know.
Yeah.
Plus, I have literally 30 dogs that could beat him up completely.
I literally have like 2/4 netherite and like a sharp 4 diamond sword.
Yeah.
David will get destroyed by my almost 30 dogs.
If I don't kill him, yeah, that's definitely gonna kill him.
That's 28 dogs now.
Oh wait, my pickaxe still isn't technically maxed. I need to add mending to it.
I have mending.
Yeah, I know, I can get mending. I know. But I'm gonna make another right first, because why not?
There's so many dogs in this forest, man.
I love magma.
I think I made a good choice when I set my base here.
Yeah, I'm almost at Y level 15, which is the good Y level for netherite.
Yeah.
I think I'm after 12 netherite here. Yeah, I'm after
I'm just
12.
beating up cows with a shovel.
Here we go! Netherite mining begins now. Start the timer. It's 10:52. Wait, actually, 10:52.
AM or PM?
10:52. Okay, now right to go. Okay, let's go. 10:52.
Okay. Do you know Chords to the Stronghold, Andre?
No, I forgot
send me a
that.
Discord?
But I know the general vicinity. Wait, let me see something. Okay, so a minute has passed. No netherite, unfortunately. Wait, I sent David. I sent Ethan them, so I'll send them to you too. There you go.
Alright.
Thank you. Okay, Ethan, let's go to the Stronghold.
Sure, hold on a bit. I'm just putting my dogs in my base.
Yeah, sit your dogs down because
They're gonna die.
I have 28 of them right now.
Okay, so I'm gonna go.
Ah! I fell in my own hole.
Wrong way.
Oh, there's a skeleton. There's a skeleton.
Did you just hear what Ethan just said?
What?
I fell into my own hole.
Hey, yo!
Yo,
I fell into my own cave, okay?
Okay. No!
Okay, I gotta make a food chest because I have a lot of food, but like no chest to hold it.
But no hunger.
Doggy, sit down. You sit down.
I have a fat potato farm, which is very nice.
You sit down too. Nope.
I wanna be somebody to someone. I wanna love somebody.
No, not that. So I haven't gotten a single piece of netherite. It's been 2 minutes. No.
Okay, I just gotta write down coords to the end gateway if I do the shulker box. Wait, Ethan, if we find an end city, I'll let you keep half of my shulker boxes. But if we find an end chip, you don't get the elytra, but you'll get the armor. Like
If there's any at
armor.
all. I'm pretty sure some end cities have brewing stands. Can I have one of those if you find one?
Yeah. Don't they have health pots in them?
Yeah, they have health pots. That actually saved my life earlier. Because I fell off the end ship. And I was like at 1 heart. Because I had feather falling boots. I would have died if I didn't get
I have
those.
29 dogs now.
Only.
Fighting the Ender Dragon, but it was already beat. Fastest speedrun in the world.
Oh, yo. Sheesh. Damn.
I remember one of the Dream manhunts. I remember one of the
man.
manhunts, all the dragon crystals were already destroyed when Dream arrived.
Dude, there's so much dogs here, but it's okay. I'll just breed mine.
Wait, where are you?
I'm heading to the stronghold.
Oh, so many dogs there. Can you give the approximate coords?
Negative 4,099. Negative 6.
No, I sent them to you.
Oh, you're
Ethan.
far away. Then you're far away from me. We're in different spots.
Yeah,
I
you
know,
guys are
I'm
in
going
very
to the
different spots.
stronghold. We can meet
Actually,
at
I'll
the
just
stronghold.
teleport Ethan there.
Wait, isn't there like
Wait,
a
hold on
water
a sec. Let me prepare
straight
some
into
stuff.
The, portal?
Okay.
I'm just.
Yeah, that's in
preparing
the
gear.
portal room, actually.
I need. Wait, do you guys have any food? Can I have some after later?
I have a stack of potatoes.
Only.
Alright.
Baked potatoes.
You guys are not gonna
What
find
I'm gonna do? Nah, I'll save it for when I get back because I don't want to have diamonds on me and then die.
I'm after a Fortune 3 pickaxe now. So I really...
a pickaxe and it's netherite with mending efficiency 4 and I'm breaking.
only efficiency 4, though.
I know. I'm gonna try and get efficiency 5
Right.
though.
Yeah.
Is it technically not maxed out?
Technically, no, it's not. It's almost maxed out, though. It's practically maxed out. But, whatever, it's still good.
Alright, you guys can teleport me
I
now.
love science. so
Okay, I'll
much.
teleport you.
Wait, are you teleporting him?
Wait a second, I can't teleport you because it's in the overworld and I'm in the nether.
That's
That would have been horrible.
That would have been
Bro,
horrible.
if I
I could
teleported
have
you-
fell straight into lava.
Yeah, exactly. Glad I realized that. Otherwise, you probably would have died.
I'm
I
sorry.
don't think you should... Ethan, I don't think you should go with, me, actually, because it's too far away.
Yeah, honestly, it's okay. I don't need you anymore.
I don't want to play with you anymore. Toy Story meme.
Ooh, Woodland Mansion. I'm joking.
Been mining for 4 minutes. No,
I'm
more
gonna
like
start
5. No, netherite, bro. And I actually accidentally went into lava! But it's okay.
There's a fat.
I have so many doggies.
Wait, should we tell Alisher the coords to the stronghold because it is in a desert?
Yeah, we probably should.
Because
It's
he
in
wants
a-
a desert and that desert has the stronghold in it.
And it also has a village.
True.
Yeah, maybe that's where we make our base.
True. Like above the stronghold near a village and like in a desert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's probably near
There's
another
so many
fortress.
animals to kill earlier.
Okay, this,
And now there's
the
only wolves
1.8
and trees.
dude, I tried to get Lunar yesterday and like it just keeps on saying that the Java has failed. So
Yeah. So that sometimes happens.
no, I like reboot my game and stuff like that. I do everything and like it still says it. So I contacted
you're-
Lunar support.
Well, sometimes maybe your computer isn't good enough to run the Lunar.
That doesn't make sense. No, it's not even on Lunar.
743. Okay, right here.
Alright.
It's weird though because his computer would just be crashing all the time, but it's only
I know.
crashing when he gets looting.
Okay, well I'm gonna go pause to stop the video, alright?
Okay.